Car repairs always seem to happen at the worst possible time. And when you're not financially prepared, they can be stressful and expensive. Many drivers aren't sure how to budget for unexpected car repairs. Without a plan, even minor issues can turn into major financial headaches. One of the smartest moves you can make is building an emergency repair fund. Even saving $50 a month can help cover surprise repairs and prevent high-interest debt. Regular maintenance goes a long way in reducing repair costs. Simple services like oil changes, using the correct oil, checking tire pressure, changing filters, and scheduling tune-ups help prevent breakdowns and extend your vehicle's life. Good driving habits matter too. Avoid hard braking, excessive speed, and aggressive turns to reduce wear on your engine, brakes, and tires. For trusted service from a local auto repair shop, call Ron's Auto and RV at 360-5583-150. Serving Vancouver, Washington drivers for over 40 years.